Hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss about card or page based authoring tools. Now, in these authoring systems, elements are organized as pages of books. Or a stack of cards. Now, in the book or stack, as we know that there are thousands of pages, so these are the authoring tools which manages thousands of pages. Now these tools are best used when the bulk of your content consists of element that can be viewed individually. For example, the pages of a book, or we have file cards in a card file. Now, in this, we got one facility in which we can jump from one page to another page, because as we know that in a book all the pages are interrelated. Now, in this, we can say that every page of a book contains many media elements like sound, video, and animations. Now we have a page and this page have hyperlinks to another page. It means we can jump from one page to another page, and we can also revert back to this. Now we have some card based tools, like we have HyperCard, that is developed by Mac systems. We have Toolbook, that is developed by Windows. You can use this software, and one of the most used software in a card or paste based tool is PowerPoint. In this, we are making slides, and every slides are connected with each other. Now let us understand the advantages we got from these tools. Number one, these tools are easy to understand. In this, we have multiple screens, and one screen is equal to one card or one page. Now the third we have, in this we are getting a template. It means a rough structure. On the basis of that we can develop a application. Now we have a very short development time. In this page and card based tools. Now we have some several disadvantages of these tools. Let us summarize this one. Now following are the disadvantages of card or page based authoring tools. Number one, these tools are platform dependence, means the application you have developed on one platform cannot run on another platform. It means they run on the same platform. Platform means the type of operating system you are using. For example, we have HyperCard that is used only on Mac, and PowerPoint that is used only on Windows. Now the second one is tools not as powerful as equivalent standalones. It means their look and feel is dependent on the particular operating system. So these tools are not much powerful as a standalone application. So hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.